Wait, hold on, I just saw this bird. Took a shot and he told me exactly what it is. No phone, no searching. That's pretty crazy. Hi guys, Sam here, and this is the new MatataXplore Solvia 8x32 AI binoculars. This replaces your binoculars, camera and bird ID app all in one device. But does it actually work? Let's find out. Quick unboxing. The box looks compact and sleek. Simple but premium. Inside, you'll get the essentials: binoculars, manual, cable, strap and cloth. No fluff, just the gear. The first impression? Solid. The rubber coating doesn't feel cheap or sticky. It feels firm in hand and it's comfortable even in cold weather. The Solvia uses a roof prism design with a clean layout, a 2.8-inch touchscreen on one side and 4 buttons for power, photo, video and AI. With all the electronics inside and the battery, it only weighs 680 grams. It's easy to carry and it's comfortable around the neck. It has IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. It can handle light rain and drizzle, but it must not be submerged in water. Alright, let's go and see how it performs. Because this is an AI binocular, it works differently from traditional binoculars. First time setup is important. Most blurry image issues arise from not following the correct setup steps. Adjust the binoculars to match your interpupillary distance. Step 1. Adjust eye cups. Glasses clockwise, no glasses counterclockwise. It has 16mm eye relief, so you can still get a clear view even with glasses. Step 2. Power on. Step 3. Select a fixed object at least 20 meters away. Tap the zoom icon to magnify, then rotate the focus wheel until the image is clear. Next is diopter calibration. Close one eye at a time and look at the same object, adjusting each diopter ring until the image is clear. It supports ±4 diopter adjustment, which helps match differences between your eyes. It only needs to be done once. After that, just use it like a normal binoculars. Point and fine-tune the focus. Honestly, I expected the optics to be compromised because of the AI features, but surprisingly, they're not. The image is clean, colors look natural, and for daytime use, it's totally solid. This doesn't feel like a gadget. It feels like a real binocular. It uses EV glass, so colors look more accurate and edges stay sharp. By the way, 8x32 is a balanced setup. 8x is stable, higher magnification shakes more. 32mm is balanced for portability and brightness. It has a 7.6 degrees field of view, which is relatively wide and makes it easier to find and track subjects. It has 4 modes: auto action, auto handheld, auto static and manual. In everyday life, with good lighting, auto action or auto handheld mode is enough. Now, let's look at the photo performance. Solvia combines a true optical binocular system with a 5-megapixel 1/2.7-inch image sensor, giving you a telephoto view with equivalent to about 400mm. Let's compare it to the iPhone 17. In real-world outdoor use, Solvia's image clarity is very close to the iPhone 17. And with 8x optical zoom, it actually brings distant subjects closer before capturing them. Because its optical zoom, details look natural, not artificially sharpened like digital zoom. Beside landscapes, it's mainly used for birding. Let us test the performances at different distances. The results are best at 32 to 65 feet, perfect for crisp daily birding. Just remember, it's a 400mm lens and 5-megapixel sensor, so details will naturally soften beyond 100 feet. To get those pro-level shots, stay within 25 feet. The biggest advantage here is no phone connections, no extra setup, just point and shoot instantly. After taking a photo, press AI to see bird information. The results come with different confidence levels, so you can judge for yourself. These are the identification results of the birds we just captured. As long as the image is clear, the recognition accuracy is quite high. It supports over 10,000 bird species. This feature is very practical. For beginners, it's very friendly. You no longer need bird guides or other apps. For experienced users, it also works as a helpful tool in unfamiliar locations. It also works on device, so no internet is needed, which is very convenient. However, on-device recognition is currently limited to birds. For plants or other animals, you'll need to use the app with cloud-based. You can also switch to video mode to capture more dynamic moments. This model I have comes with 16GB micro SD card, so storing photos and videos is not a problem. When it comes to the app, one of its most impressive features is a real-time screen sharing. Two people can view the same binocular feed at once. That's huge for teaching or traveling together. Besides, you can set, shoot and view logs in the app. Photos sync automatically and can be enhanced by AI. You can share directly to social media. I was capturing footage for 3.5 hours and the battery held up perfectly. To summarize my real experience, the Solvia is not a gimmick product. It truly changes the bird watching experience. In the past, bird watching, photography, identification and sharing usually required multiple devices working together. Now, one device is enough. And I heard there is a Plus and Pro version available for users to choose from. Finally, I'm curious, would you use it for bird watching or travel?